Unveiling Britain's election system, history, truths, and trade-offs. Ever wondered how the British choose their leaders? The British election system is a fascinating blend of tradition and modernity, reflecting centuries of political evolution. Understanding it offers insights into how one of the world's oldest democracies functions today. British elections trace their roots back to the Magna Carta in 1215, which laid the groundwork for parliamentary governance. Over the centuries, the system evolved through key reforms, culminating in a contemporary democracy where citizens actively participate in choosing their leaders. The United Kingdom operates under a parliamentary democracy, where the government is elected by the people and is accountable to Parliament. This system emphasizes the role of the elected Parliament in governing, with the Prime Minister as its head, steering national leadership. The first-past-the-post system is central to British elections. In this system, the candidate with the most votes in a constituency wins. It is straightforward, ensuring quick results, but often leads to debates about its fairness in representation. General elections in the UK occur every 5 years, unless called earlier. These elections are crucial, as they determine the composition of the House of Commons and influence the direction of national policy, impacting every aspect of British life. The Prime Minister plays a crucial role in the British election process, acting as the head of government. They are usually the leader of the political party that wins the most seats in a general election, guiding national policy and governance. Political parties are central to British elections, shaping policies and influencing voter decisions. Parties like the Conservatives, Labour, and the Liberal Democrats present manifestos outlining their plans. These manifestos help voters decide which party aligns with their values and needs. Constituencies are geographic areas represented by Members of Parliament, MPs, in the House of Commons. Each constituency elects one MP through the first-past-the-post system, ensuring local representation while contributing to the overall makeup of the government. Members of Parliament, MPs, play a vital role in representing their constituents' interests, debating legislation, and holding the government accountable. They serve as a bridge between the public and the government, ensuring that citizens' voices are heard in Parliament. The House of Commons and the House of Lords form the UK Parliament. The House of Commons is composed of elected MPs, while the House of Lords includes appointed and hereditary members. Together, they review, amend, and pass legislation, shaping national laws. To vote in the UK, citizens must meet eligibility requirements, including age and residency criteria. Registration is essential and can be completed online or by mail. This ensures that eligible voters can participate in shaping their government and future. The Electoral Commission plays a crucial role in managing UK elections. It oversees election conduct, ensures transparency, and enforces legal compliance. By providing guidance and monitoring, the Commission helps maintain integrity and public confidence in the electoral process. Voting in the UK is straightforward, offering options like polling stations, postal votes, and proxy voting. These methods ensure accessibility, providing voters with flexible and convenient ways to participate in elections, regardless of their circumstances or location. Media and political debates significantly influence British elections, shaping public opinion and voter decisions. Through comprehensive coverage and candidate discussions, they offer insights into party policies and leadership qualities, helping voters make informed choices at the ballot box. British electoral history is marked by key reforms, such as the Representation of the People Acts. These milestones expanded voter eligibility and improved electoral fairness. Continuous evolution reflects the nation's commitment to enhancing democratic participation and representation for its citizens. The simplicity and speed of counting votes in the British election system are notable advantages. This efficiency ensures quick results, maintaining public interest and trust. Swift outcomes also facilitate a smoother transition of power, keeping democratic processes transparent and effective. However, the system faces criticism for issues of representation and fairness. With first past the post, smaller parties often struggle to gain seats, leading to disproportionate representation. This can result in a parliament that doesn't accurately reflect the electorate's diverse views. The debate over electoral reform is ongoing, with many advocating for proportional representation. This alternative could address representation issues, allowing for a more balanced reflection of voter preferences. However, it might complicate the straightforward voting process that currently exists. A recent British election highlighted these dynamics, with major parties dominating while smaller ones struggled for visibility. The outcomes underscored ongoing debates over electoral reform and the need for a system that better represents all voters' interests and voices. The UK's election system, while unique, shares similarities with other democratic nations, such as the reliance on a parliamentary framework. However, its first-past-the-post system often contrasts with the proportional representation favoured by many European countries, highlighting different priorities in electoral fairness. Engaging in the democratic process is crucial for shaping the future. By understanding how elections work and participating actively, citizens ensure their voices contribute to the nation's direction, reinforcing the foundation of democracy and safeguarding its continued evolution.